I began my existence as a lowly bodega cat. Up and down the aisles I'd slink in search of a mouse in which to sink my teeth. Lots of people would come and go, but I didn't have a home to call my own. In my second life, I lived with college kids. I destroyed the furniture. I didn't give a shit.
I loved it. The show really made me reflect on the dangers of technological distractions and how to be more present with those I love. Plus, the cat was so cute! I just want to adopt her.
This show has changed my life. Okay, my father came to see it opening night, and afterward, he shared things with me that he has never shared. That man is a deep ocean of secrets that I now know, thanks to that cat.
In life 3, I lived with 10 other cats. There wasn't much I liked about that. So desperate, fighting for food and treats, that one day I killed the parakeet.
That show is so beautiful that I stopped wondering about how this cat knows how to talk, and I started to listen to what it had to say.
In life 4, Jackpot, an elderly woman, thrice divorced, who dedicated her time and money to spoiling moi. In life 5, I found myself walking down an alley when I heard a loud boom. It was the morning of September 11th, 2007. Life 6 began in the darkest of ways. I opened my eyes to see how I spent my days. I blinked a few times to clear the fog, and there in front of me was